Hello everyone, welcome to my EE102 term project. In this term project, I programmed a VHDL using a VHDL code with a basis tree to put in my term project. I try to use a bank pick. In this project, I have three components with one IR sensor, one servo motor, and one 7-segment display. In this project, I use Vivado to program everything with using VHDL language. In this project, I use a one code, it's like the coding, to understand the IR sensor signal, to understand what IR sensor is understand with my finger or into which I add into my box, add a coin, and it understand to the signal. I admire to use this basis clock to understand and limitate the signal of the IR sensor because it understands very quickly compared with our eyes. And in my code, I put a goal like it's 20. If it gets 20 in 7-segment display, you can see the 20, and at alarm is getting clocked, and in the servo motor opens a box. Let me test it. First, I will try to get increase to up to 20. As you can see, all numbers in the 7-segment display. The buzzer getting to alarm and the box is open. And I have a one reset button too. If I put this, the all project going to the beginning, as you can see, and the box is closing and the buzzer is shut down.